Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-bending episodes. Today, we're diving into another 5 shocking facts that are so out of this world. You'll be questioning everything you thought you knew. So, let's get this party started. Fact number 1, the deepest point on Earth is not Mount Everest's opposite. You might think that if you drilled a hole through the Earth, starting at Mount Everest, you'd end up at the deepest point on the other side, right? Wrong! The deepest point on Earth is actually the Mariana Trench, which plunges down about 36,070 feet. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. And guess what? We've explored more of the surface of the moon than the depths of our own oceans. Fact number 2, the shortest scientific paper ever published was just 2 sentences long. Academic papers are usually long, complicated, and filled with jargon. But the shortest scientific paper ever published was just 2 sentences long. Published in 1974, the paper by physicist John H. Conway and mathematician Simon Plouffe simply stated, "The most irrational number is 0.11000000000000000000000001. You get the idea. Short and sweet, but groundbreaking. Fact number 3, there's a species of fungus that turns ants into zombies. If you're into zombie movies, you'll love this. There's a species of fungus called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis that infects ants and essentially turns them into zombies. The fungus takes over the ant's central nervous system, causing it to climb a plant and attach itself before the fungus bursts out of its head. It's like something straight out of a horror movie. Fact number 4, the longest hiccuping spree ever recorded lasted 68 years. We've all had hiccups, but can you imagine having them for 68 years? Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest bout of hiccups, hiccuping continuously from 1922 until 1990. That's an estimated 430 million hiccups. And then one day, they just stopped. Talk about a long-term annoyance. Fact number 5, there's enough gold in Earth's core to coat the planet. If you're a fan of bling, you'll love this. Scientists estimate that there's enough gold in Earth's core to coat the entire planet in a 1,5 foot layer of gold. The only catch? It's located about 1,800 miles beneath the Earth's surface. So, unless you've got a super drill, you might want to stick to panning for gold the old-fashioned way. And there you have it, folks! Another 5 shocking facts that I hope left you amazed and a little smarter. If you loved this video, make sure to smash that like button and share it with your friends to blow their minds too. Also, drop a comment below to let me know which fact you found the most shocking, or if you have any other mind-blowing facts you'd like to share. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep questioning everything!